Flowers speak to everyone. Their bright colors and sweet smells are a joy to our senses. They make us feel happy and peaceful. From the smallest daisy to the tallest sunflower, flowers are a gift to the world. No matter where you go, flowers are there. They grow in deserts, on mountains, and even in water. Each flower is unique, with its own shape, color, and smell. Flowers are a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us. They teach us to slow down and appreciate the simple things in life. Some flowers are bright and bold, like the sunflower. Sunflowers are a symbol of positivity and energy, often associated with the sun itself. Their vibrant yellow petals and towering height make them stand out in any garden or field. These flowers are not just beautiful to look at, they also play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Bees and other pollinators are attracted to their bright colors and abundant nectar, making sunflowers an essential part of the natural world. Sunflowers are known for their large size and bright yellow petals. These petals are not just for show, they serve to attract pollinators, ensuring the plant's reproduction. The sunflower's head is actually made up of hundreds of tiny flowers, each capable of producing seeds. These seeds are a valuable food source for birds and humans alike, rich in nutrients and oils. They turn their faces towards the sun, soaking up its warmth and light. This phenomenon, known as heliotropism, allows sunflowers to maximize their energy intake. By following the sun's path across the sky, they ensure they receive the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. This unique behavior not only aids in their growth but also makes them a fascinating subject for photographers and nature enthusiasts. Other flowers are delicate and fragrant, like the rose. Roses have been cherished for centuries, not just for their beauty, but also for their symbolic meanings. They are often associated with love, passion, and romance. The intricate layers of petals and their captivating fragrance make roses a favorite in gardens and bouquets around the world. Roses come in many colors, from deep red to pale pink. Each color carries its own significance. Red roses symbolize deep love and respect, while pink roses convey grace and admiration. White roses are often associated with purity and innocence, making them a popular choice for weddings. Yellow roses, on the other hand, represent friendship and joy. Their sweet smell has made them a symbol of love and beauty for centuries. The fragrance of roses is used in perfumes, oils, and even culinary dishes. Rose water, for example, is a common ingredient in Middle Eastern cuisine. The beauty and versatility of roses make them a timeless favorite. Some flowers are small and humble, like the violet. Despite their size, violets have a charm all their own. Their delicate purple petals and heart-shaped leaves make them a lovely addition to any garden. Violets are often found in shaded areas, where they add a splash of color to the undergrowth. Violets often grow in shady places, their purple petals peeking out from under leaves. These flowers are not just pretty to look at, they also have a variety of uses. Violet leaves and flowers are edible and can be used in salads or as garnishes. They are also known for their medicinal properties, often used in herbal remedies for their soothing and anti-inflammatory effects. Though small, they are no less beautiful than their larger counterparts. Violets remind us that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. Their modest size and simple elegance make them a symbol of humility and grace. Whether in a grand garden or a quiet corner of the forest, violets bring a touch of beauty and serenity to their surroundings. Flowers play an important role in our ecosystem. They provide food for bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. These creatures help flowers reproduce by carrying pollen from one flower to another. Without flowers, many of these creatures would not survive, and without pollinators, we would not have many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts that we rely on for food. Flowers also help to clean the air and provide oxygen. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis, making the air we breathe cleaner and fresher. Did you know that the smallest flower in the world is the Wolfia angusta, also known as the watermeal? It is so small that it can fit on the head of a pin. The tallest flower in the world is the Titan arum, which can grow to be over 10 feet tall. It is also known as the corpse flower because of its strong, unpleasant odor. Some flowers, like the sunflower, are known for their ability to track the sun throughout the day. This is called heliotropism. Flowers have a calming effect on humans. Studies have shown that being around flowers can reduce stress and anxiety, lower blood pressure, and even improve memory. The colors and scents of flowers have a positive effect on our mood and well-being. Bright colors like yellow and orange can make us feel happy and energized, while cool colors like blue and purple can have a calming effect. The scent of flowers can also trigger memories and emotions. The sweet smell of roses, for example, is often associated with love and romance. Section 6. Flowers and Art. Flowers have been a source of inspiration for artists for centuries. From ancient cave paintings to modern-day sculptures, flowers have been depicted in countless works of art. Painters like Claude Monet and Vincent van Gogh were known for their beautiful depictions of flowers. Their paintings captured the vibrant colors and delicate forms of flowers, immortalizing their beauty on canvas. Flowers are also often used in decorative arts, such as textiles, ceramics, and jewelry. Their intricate patterns and vibrant colors add a touch of beauty and elegance to these objects. Section 7. Gardens of Delight. For centuries, people have cultivated gardens to enjoy the beauty and fragrance of flowers. These spaces have served as sanctuaries, offering a retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. In ancient civilizations, gardens were often seen as a reflection of paradise on earth, a place where humans could connect with the divine through the natural world. The tradition of gardening has evolved over the centuries, but the core essence remains the same: to create a space of beauty, tranquility, and harmony. Gardens provide a place for people to connect with nature, relax, and find peace. In today's fast-paced world, these green spaces are more important than ever. They offer a respite from the digital noise and constant connectivity that define modern life. Whether it's a community garden in an urban area or a private garden in a suburban backyard, these spaces allow individuals to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the simple pleasures of life. The act of gardening itself can be meditative, providing a sense of accomplishment and a deeper connection to the earth. Public gardens like the Butchert Gardens in Canada and the Keukenhof Gardens in the Netherlands attract millions of visitors each year. These renowned gardens are not just tourist attractions, they are living museums of horticultural art. Each garden tells a story through its design, plant selection, and seasonal displays. Visitors can wander through themed sections, each offering a unique sensory experience, from the vibrant colors of tulip fields to the soothing sounds of water features. These gardens also play a crucial role in conservation, preserving rare and endangered plant species for future generations. These gardens showcase a stunning array of flowers from around the world, arranged in breathtaking displays. The meticulous planning and care that go into these arrangements are a testament to the dedication and passion of the gardeners. Seasonal events and festivals often highlight the best of what these gardens have to offer, drawing visitors from all corners of the globe. The interplay of colors, textures, and scents creates an immersive experience that delights the senses and inspires creativity. Whether you have a small window box or a sprawling backyard, creating a garden is a rewarding way to bring the beauty of nature into your life. Even the smallest garden can provide a sanctuary for pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to the health of our ecosystem. Gardening can also be a family activity, teaching children about the cycles of nature and the importance of caring for the environment. No matter the size, a garden is a personal expression of creativity and a testament to the enduring human connection to the natural world. Section 8. A gift from nature. Flowers are a precious gift from nature. They remind us of the beauty, diversity, and resilience of the natural world. They teach us to appreciate the simple things in life and to find joy in the present moment. In a world that is often fast-paced and stressful, flowers offer a moment of peace and tranquility. They remind us to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. Let us cherish these gifts from nature and protect the delicate ecosystems that support them. Section 9. Stop and smell the roses. The next time you see a flower, take a moment to appreciate its beauty. Flowers are nature's way of reminding us to slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures in life. They are a testament to the wonders of the natural world, offering us a glimpse into the intricate designs and vibrant colors that make up our environment. Notice its intricate details, its vibrant colors, and its delicate fragrance. Each petal, each shade of color, and each scent is a masterpiece in its own right. The way the petals are arranged, the subtle gradients of color, and the unique fragrance all come together to create something truly extraordinary. Let the beauty of the flower fill you with a sense of peace and wonder. In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, flowers offer a moment of tranquility and reflection. They remind us of the beauty that exists in the world and the importance of taking time to appreciate it. Remember that even in the smallest and most humble of flowers, there is a universe of beauty waiting to be discovered. Each tiny bloom holds a story, a history, and a purpose. They may be small, but their impact on our hearts and minds can be profound. Go out and explore the world of flowers. There is so much to see and experience. From the vibrant blooms of a well-tended garden to the wildflowers that grow in unexpected places, each flower has its own unique charm and beauty. Plant a garden, visit a botanical garden, or simply take a walk in nature and enjoy the beauty that surrounds you. Engage with the natural world in a way that brings you joy and peace. Whether you are planting seeds and watching them grow, or simply taking a moment to admire the flowers you encounter on a walk, let the beauty of flowers enrich your life. Observe the life that flowers support, from bees and butterflies to birds and other wildlife. Flowers are not just beautiful, they are a crucial part of the ecosystem, supporting a wide range of life forms. By appreciating flowers, we also appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things. Capture these moments. Whether through photography, painting, or simply in your memory, let the beauty of flowers inspire you and remind you of the simple joys in life. In every petal, in every bloom, there is a story waiting to be told, a moment waiting to be cherished.